Here's a question that trips up many SQL beginners. What is a view in SQL? The key is understanding that views aren't what they appear to be. A view is a virtual table based on the result of a select query. Unlike a physical table, a view doesn't store any data itself. Think of it as a saved query with a name. When you query a view, SQL executes the underlying select statement and returns the results on the fly. It's like a window into your data, not a copy of it. Creating a view is straightforward. You use the create VW statement followed by the view name and the select query that defines it. For example, you might create an employee summary view that joins employee and department tables, calculating salaries and filtering active employees. Once created, you can query this view just like a regular table, but behind the scenes it's executing that stored select statement every time. So why use views? First, they simplify complex queries. Instead of writing long joins repeatedly, create a view once and query it. Second, they provide security. You can expose only specific columns or rows to users, hiding sensitive data. Third, they offer an abstraction layer. If your underlying table structure changes, you can update the view definition without breaking dependent queries. Views make your database more maintainable and secure. But views have limitations. Most views are read-only, especially those involving joins or aggregations. Updating data through a view can be tricky or impossible. Also, since the query runs each time you access the view, complex views can hurt performance. For frequently accessed computed data, consider materialized views instead, which do store results and refresh periodically. Remember, views are virtual tables that execute queries dynamically. They simplify complexity, enhance security, and provide flexibility, but don't store data themselves. Master views, and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable SQL. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.